Hello, beauty enthusiast. With the arrival of summer, it's time to switch up your makeup routine and embrace the radiant vibes of the season. Today, I'll guide you through some fabulous summer makeup looks that will leave you looking fresh, vibrant, and ready to shine. For a pop of color, let's not forget about the lips. Choose a vibrant, fruity shade like coral, watermelon, or peach. Apply a hydrating lip balm or a lightweight lipstick in your chosen shade. If you prefer a glossy finish, top it off with a clear lip gloss for a juicy, summer-ready pout. To add a fresh and dewy touch, lightly dust a shimmering highlighter along your cheekbones, down the bridge of your nose, and on your Cupid's bow. This will enhance your natural glow and give you that luminous summer radiance. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more beauty inspiration. Until next time, take care and have an amazing